Uh, it's Greenface. You know, I'm from the J to the A, where we keep them A's to the K's. Chopper Smith & Wessons, they're ready to spray. Leave a nigga on the clay like broad day. I'm from the trap where niggas they keep the gas. Kill some niggas if they rats. Nigga, you gonna snap like a twig. Don't give a frig. Nigga, I'm a Jamaican, I travel with a zig. Make you scream like a pig. Split your wig. Nigga, bullets in your skin, that's gonna dig. Nigga, you better know I'm going for the racks. Nigga, they call me Scooby, so I got the money, I call it Scooby Snacks. Yeah, I got the money though. You'll be sucking on my dick, so they come taste like honey though. Yeah, I'm not a dummy, bro, so you cannot run up on me and steal my money, bro. Yeah, I'm from the trap. Where's the pistol under Smith & Wesson? Yeah, they gonna clap, yeah. Kill a nigga right now. I'm higher than a motherfucking cloud. Nigga smoking on the load. I'm a Jamaican nigga, better know that I'm proud. Yeah, I'm from the land of wooden water. I fuck your daughter. That pussy that she got, I'm gonna slaughter. Hey, nigga, but guess what? These niggas, yeah, they try to fucking plot. But I put them in a fucking board box. Put them 6 feet deep, nigga, too fucking rot. Yeah, I'm from the trap though, where pistols clap, bro. Just like fucking hands in the church. My soul that needs to go purge. Cause I always got a motherfucking urge to slew some niggas that's tryna see me fall, to see my downfall. I'm gonna make sure that the mother balling on the fucking ground. Yeah, they be crawling till the early morning from the fucking night, bro. I got the gun lighting like a motherfucking fireworks. I make the gun work, I make the gun work like a bad bitch twerking, yeah. I fuck a bitch but her Birkin, yeah. I caught the bitch in the club, she was twerking, yeah. I love her ass. And one thing, a bitch like that I gotta smash, yeah. I'm from the trap, I'm from JA, where we don't play AK. Them AKs leave you fucking melee on the ground, nigga. I'm a king nigga, but I don't have a crown, nigga. I work for my own dough. Bitches, they calling up my phone, bro, because they know that I got a lot of dough. I'm chilling in the motherfucking condo, like whoa, I got my shit up from a little nigga. Yeah, they wanna treat me like a dud, but I got it from the mud. Now I'm fucking on the bitches, and the bitches they be duds, because they can't get nothing from me. And I'm a rich nigga, will steal a nigga, bitch nigga. Because I'm a rich nigga, came from nothing, but I'm up now. I got the fucking syrup in my cup now. Extra spade. Yeah, I'm sharper than a motherfucking blade. Yeah.